Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to talk a little bit about ClickFunnels, and the one thing I want to talk about is how do you sell ClickFunnels as a service provider instead of an affiliate? I've been seeing this question a lot in the Facebook groups, and I want to talk about it a little bit today. So the one thing that I've noticed about ClickFunnels is many people try to sell it the wrong way. I mean, they're all most of you are trying to sell it as an affiliate and try to get, other affiliates to sign up underneath you. But you're not gonna make the most that way. You're gonna make the most by actually selling the product. And the way you're gonna do that is by holding local seminars or Pinterest. And honestly, the way that works best is you want to target specific types of businesses. What I have found that works well in the past is I usually promote ClickFunnels to doctors' offices, dental offices, local gyms and studios, places like that. Pretty much anywhere that has any small business that needs, lead generation, or companies that want, monthly members. So companies like that work best for promoting, ClickFunnels as a service provider rather than an affiliate. And the best way to do it would be through, like I said, if you want to do it for free and you don't have cash on hand or anything like that, or you want to be, cheap about it, just go Pinterest. If you're creating, gorgeous images, people will click those images, and they'll be interested in it. Other than that, if you've got the money, host some local seminars. Go to your local hotel, see what it's going to cost to get the conference room for a Saturday. Spend the money on it. Spend some money on some local advertising. Bring in some, do some local ads and target the, business owners that need these, that would need ClickFunnels. So that's pretty much what you're going to do. If you have any questions about any of this or anything like that, send me a DM or something like that. Go ahead and follow me too. That'd be nice. But other than that, that's what's worked for me. When I'm promoting ClickFunnels as a service provider, those are the types of businesses that usually always seem to get the most attention. So what I do is I live in a small city of like 280,000 people. So I'm usually marketing out to the smaller suburbs that are around me. Usually these suburbs have roughly between, 20 and 40,000 people. So they work great. There's plenty of small businesses in those types of small towns, and a lot of those small businesses, they want more members. They want more members, they want more leads, they want more business. Everybody wins in this game. So if you got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'd be happy to help.